This video is to show you why should you buy this telescope, the white one, instead of any other telescope. I bought this 8-inch Dobsonian and I placed my 12-inch Dobsonian for you to see the difference between both. As you can see, this one is huge comparing to this one. I love my 12-inch. I bought this 8-inch today because it's to be my grab-and-go telescope. I'm sure I will have great adventures with this telescope, and this is the first video from many, from a journey that I want you to live with me. In this playlist you will get regularly videos with me and this telescope having our adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. So that leads us to the first advantage, huge advantage, portability. With this telescope I can take it everywhere. I can place it in my car, I can place it in a van, I can place it anywhere and go with it to have fun at star parties or with friends and family. 2. Versatility. You can use this telescope yourself and you can help your children if you have, or relatives, to get into the astronomy world. This is an easy to manage telescope. Any children can reach the eyepiece easily, and in my situation I will be with my 12-inch here while my children will be around this one. So it's also a good second telescope, like I did. I will do many modifications to improve this Dobsonian. Some of them are very important, but I will let this for another video. 3. Aperture. Bang for the buck. You, with this aperture 8-inch, a refractor will be much expensive, and also you will have to get the mount, but I have to advise you that this is very nice for these situations, visual, etc., and planetary imaging too, without tracking. But if you want to hunt deep sky objects, and this is a tool that has that power, you got to have tracking. So, as this is a known go-to, here I'm on Mortar 5 more or less, and I don't need go-to. I love star hopping, but I use an equatorial platform in my 12-inch Dob, which I can use also in this Dob. So an advantage also from an equatorial platform if you are thinking in buying it. You can use on any scope that you have. 4. Simplicity. As a keep it simple guy, I love that characteristic. Without many stuff around, you just place it, it's light, and you use it straight away. Keep it simple, have a nice telescope like this. Stick with me with the journey with this telescope. The purpose of this channel is to help you to connect with astronomy. I share my experiences and my joy and my modifications and my improvements with the Dobsonians in order for you to catch the ideas and adapt with your thinking, with your own head, and adapt to your setup and situation environment. Someone that lives in a city, in an apartment, is different than someone that lives in the country, or someone that have this space, or just a bit of space, or more than this, and better than this, and a better sky than me. So the situations are different. My purpose is only to inspire you to have this joyness and to have fun and very relaxing moments with the Dobsonian. And I'm sure that with my 8-inch Dobsonian, now I will get all of that. If you're thinking in buying the first telescope, that's the one. 5. Smoothness. This is so smooth with the Alt-AZ system that Dobsonian has. The azimuth with that Lazy Susan is so smooth, you can adjust. And now with this new system of the altitude bearings, I'm curious to see how this new system acts, because now we can balance or manage the balance also through the position in the altitude bearings. As you can see, I mounted in a way that it's all down. Let's see in the next videos of this series how it will work.